This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language, and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. And in today's video, I have, which I'm so excited about because I am a big Simpsons fan. Simpsons raised me. Okay, there's not a day where I don't quote The Simpsons. And for me, it's like seasons like 1 through 12. And then everything else, I don't collect. That is not my Simpsons. I'm classic Simpsons, and that's that. But one of my favorite things about The Simpsons is their Halloween episodes, Treehouse of Horror. And let me tell you, Kidrobot has come out with these little blind boxes, and I'm so excited. So I almost bought the set, but I was like, let me not. Let me not. So I just wound up buying 3 of them. And then I've been hunting for this thing, and I couldn't find it at my local Costco, but my good friend Ryan, he was a sweetie. He found it in Long Island, and I sent him money. He shipped it to me, and we're gonna unbox this guy too, because I love me a good advent calendar, and I love me some Simpsons, and I love more shit that I could just display around my room. So without further ado, I think I want to start with the Kidrobot stuff first. But before I jump into the Simpsons, I do want to show you one that I got. Look at this bitch. This is a Hello Kitty one. Isn't that so cute? And this is not quite a blind box because you actually can pick the ones that you want. I really did love the pumpkin, but the pumpkin was sold out. The mummy one's actually pretty cute too, and the witch. All of them are really adorable, probably the exception of the pirate that I'm like, whatever. But I loved this little skeleton, and apparently it's supposed to glow in the dark. So I need it. It was a got to have item that I got to have. Oh, she does not disappoint. I love Hello Kitty so much. I really do. It is such a nostalgic childhood thing for me, and I just love this spooky little bitch. So I'm so excited that I got that one. Really nice. Very cute. Okay. But for the main attraction, because I really want to know are in these boxes. So I guess there was like a first edition to this because this is number 2. So I'm kind of bummed that I missed the first one, but I'll be honest, I don't remember ever seeing this. I was targeted on Instagram ads for this one. So let's hope I get something good. Honestly, I'm okay with anything. I really would love like the Homers. I want the Homers so badly. They just speak to my soul. But again, I would be happy with any. Oh God, I want that Krusty. Oh my God, that Krusty or Bart or Lard Lad. Any of them. Again, any of them would be amazing. Here's hoping that we get a good one. All right, so let's open the box. Also, thank you for like joining me and having fun with this journey, because makeup is kind of boring, and like this is like, I collect all this stuff anyway, and I never really made videos on it, and I was like, okay, why am I not making videos on it? I'm not the only asshole that likes this shit. So thank you for being an asshole that likes this stuff. I love you. Anyway, let's get back to it. All right, trying not to, doesn't look like there's a card or anything inside. Bitch! Okay. Yes, I wanted him so badly, and I'm so happy I got him. Look how cute he is. Oh my God, I love King Kong Homer. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, so good. Listen, you want to see me have a good time? Take me to a casino, all right? Take me to a casino. And I am literally, I will have crowds around me, okay? The excitement that I get. Oh, bitch. Oh my God, yes, I love it. So you don't get a card or anything with these, so okay, that's fine. Very happy we got him now. Here's hoping we don't get any more duplicates, so although I won't be upset, but I will be kind of upset. So anyway, box number 2. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, by the way, I thought it was Bart. It's Homer. My bad. When I was looking at it in the tiny monitor, it looked like Bart, but no. Look how cute he is. Oh my God, I cannot. I simply cannot. I love him. Oh my God. Okay. All right. We're doing good. We are doing so good. All right, so here's hoping. Come on, blind box gods. Send me some love today. Send me some love. Fuck! And that's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's okay. It's okay. Listen, This is what happens. This is what happens. You have a gamble. So I will definitely be giving this a good home. Not bad though. Not bad. I mean, realistically, I would have loved anything else, but it's okay if I don't get it. It's totally fine. Oh, bitch. Oh, I totally didn't realize that this had a little cane. Hold on, I gotta give him his cane. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, that is adorable. Oh, that's adorable. Hold on, I gotta see, did I? Oh yeah, I totally missed Marge. I missed Marge. How did I miss Marge? Oh, that is actually really fun. As a Simpsons fan, that is so good. Oh my God, that's so good. All right. Okay, I feel good about that. Moving on to the Costco find. I saw this like on a TikTok and I was like, oh my God, I need to have it. And we know that I'm definitely not gonna be getting a duplicate, so that's great. But I'm so curious though to see like how this works. I kind of f***ed up the bottom. The bottom of it because I'm an impatient piece of shit. But honestly, I'm probably not going to use it for this. I just want what's in the boxes. I'll be honest with you. I just want what's in the boxes because I'm going to display them all across my room. But I got to say though, it is pretty cute. It is cute. This is what she looks like. See all the different little doors there. It has all the different numbers. And there are 31 because again, this is a countdown to Halloween, but it's, well, you'll see this in September. I'm opening this up in August. I can't wait. I can't wait. So we're just gonna open it up now. I'm gonna start with, I don't know, a box. Where are you, number one? Ah, okay. Starting with number one. Oh, fucking adorable. Oh my God, it's so good. I have giant Kodos and Kang dolls in my living room. And one of them is holding the little Cook for 40 Humans book, and that just makes me so happy. But anyway, love that. Box number two. Oh, that's fun. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, this is exceeding my expectations, and it's only been day two. All right, day three. Oh yes. Can I tell you, I've been hunting for one of these, like an actual big one. Look at this guy. This is the talking Krusty doll. So cute. Box number four. Maggie. Oh yay, it's Alien Maggie. These are so tiny. I think what I'm gonna do actually is kind of line them up by my computer because I have like a nice like little area where they could probably sit on top of the speaker. That's what I'm probably gonna do because they're really tiny in like comparison to this guy, you know? So that's number four. I think the longest part of this video is gonna be me trying to find where the days. Oh, yay. Oh, that's fun. A little jack-o'-lantern. Nice, that's number five. Number six. Oh, cute. I'll be honest, I don't even know what the f that is. That could be from a newer Simpsons. But all right. Day number seven. Yay! Oh, that's cute. We have a little skeleton Bart. That's adorable. Day number 8. Oh, we have Mr. Burns. Love me some Mr. Burns. Day number 9. Ooh, yay! We have a Lisa skeleton. Super cute. We're about a third of the way there with day number 10. Oh, Snowball and Santa's little helper. That's so cute. A little cat dog situation. Love that. This is really cute, I gotta say. Like, this is really fun. And if I had patience, oh, this would be cute to open like, you know, once a day. I don't have patience. Far from it. So this is really fun to open on a morning. Oh, yay. Oh, we have Chief Wiggum as a pig. Fucking hilarious. All right. Day number 12. We have Marge as skeleton. Very cute. Gotta say, like, they're actually made very well. And I'm gonna have a lot of fun kind of displaying them. Day number 13. Oh, I love that. Lisa as the snail, which is probably one of my favorite Treehouse of Horrors, when they raise the dead. So good, so good. Day number 14. Oh, I love that. Bart is the fly. Super cute. Day number 15. Got our Homer. All right. So pretty much got the whole family. It's little skeletons. Day number 16. Oh, yeah, I love this episode where Bart sees the little gremlin on the side of the bus. So good, so funny. It's a nice classic take on Twilight Zone. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Do let me know if you were a Simpsons kid. I feel like people were either like pro Simpsons or like never watched an episode, which I can't f with those people that never watched an episode. Simpsons raised me. And that's one thing that me and Alex quote literally every day. And that's why I knew that was my soulmate, my husband. Our first date, quoting The Simpsons. Sorry, now we have all of the little skeleton people. I finally found Maggie. Thought I had Maggie. I have a different Maggie. My bad. So now we have all the little skeleton guys. It was day 17, day 18. Ooh, death. Oh, that's fun. Little death. All right, that's pretty cute. Day 19. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love this one. So good. Homer's a donut. Oh, so good. Day 20. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my God, that's fucking amazing. I don't even know what this is in reference to. No idea, but I love this though. It's so nice. Oh wait, that was day 28, by the way. My bad. Pretend you didn't see that. I meant to do day 20. Day 20. Bart, I guess like a genie. To be fair, how I'm looking at this is like down and I have lights shining in my face, okay? It's my bad. Where's number 21? Where are you, my little bitch? Oh, yay! Oh, I'm so happy. I do love Mr. Burns as Dracula. So good. Day number 22, classic. Smithers is a snake. Very good, very good. Same episode. Day number 23. Oh, Maud! Oh, hey, Maud. Maud is a ghost. That's Ned Flanders' wife. Very nice. Day number 24. Oh, Barney. Barney is a mummy. Super cute. Day number 25. Oh, Hugo. Probably one of my I feel like I keep saying that. It's like one of my favorites. They're all my favorites. But this is a great one. Where Bart has a twin brother named Hugo. And look how cute he is. He's so adorable. So adorable. Day number 26. Almost done. Oh, Marge. I feel like I remember this one, but I can't quite put my finger on it. I think this is like a newer one. She was a cat or a panther or something. Day number 27. If I can't get it in the fucking Kidrobot series, I'll have a tiny one. And that's okay. I'm happy with this. This is Bart as the Raven. Of course, you saw number 28. Number 29. Oh, that's cute. Marge as the witch. That was a good, I think that was probably one of the last episodes that I kind of clocked out of, especially when it comes to the Treehouse of Horror. So, day 30. Oh, that's cool. Miss Mo is a demon. Oh, that's fun. That's so fun. And then finally, the last day, day number 31. Of course, which I'm very happy to get. We have Flanders as the devil. Again, great episode. So good. It's always the ones you least expect. I love it. And if you know, you know. Oh, that was so cute. Oh, we had like other than having like the one little up in the beginning, the beginning of the video with the 2 Homers, I think we did pretty good. I really do like this Costco set. I have to say, I think it was about $39.99. And I think for the amount of little guys that you get and the quality, they feel really nice. Like, this is really cute. And I could see, like, again, if you're somebody that has patience and you want to set like a little scene up, that would be adorable. No patience. I'm not setting the scene up. I'm going to put all of these guys around my computer year round. I think these are kind of perfect. I think my favorite one is this fat Homer. But I do love the gremlin, Homer with his little donut head, of course Burns as Dracula, Ned. They're all so really, really, really cute. I think if anything, I would almost kind of prefer if they had Kodos and Kang as like an actual like rubber kind of a figure. Like, this is cute, but I think I would have preferred that more. But listen, beggars can't be choosers. I think for the price point, I think this is actually really adorable and a really fun way to, like, you know, celebrate Halloween. So yeah, if you do happen to see it, grab it. If not, you shit out of luck. I'll drop the links for the other stuff from Kidrobot down below if you were so inclined. And yeah, check me back next time for more unboxings. I have so much more shit and feel like I'm just gonna break it up by like categories. So this is all the Simpsons stuff. So I hope you enjoyed all the spooky content for today. Anyway, I'd love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you're a Simpsons fan. And if so, what's your favorite Simpsons episode? Let me know so I can judge you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your faces. And I'll see you little trash bags later. Bye.